Yes, it's an adapter. That's a DeWalt and that's Makita. However, it works, but it did get smoggy and it burned out. So we're just going to replace that motor in it anyway. It works, but it's probably just going to burn out. And I don't want that happening when I'm on the job. First off, the new motor. Smells good. Smells better than the last one. Few screws, just Phillips. We'll take them out, but you're only going to watch. Just like that. They're all out. Don't forget about these ones here. Look at that. Bit grimy, but it's a working drill. It's always going to be a bit grimy. So exact fit, hopefully. Just noticed something. Don't know if you can see this, but right there's a nick in the wire. A nick. Hopefully you can see better. Look at that. You're gonna have to get the soldering iron out. Not really sure what that's for. What fell off? Where did that come from? Thinks that. Right, whilst we're waiting for the old soldering iron, we'll just pack this back in. Just on the new one, of course. I knew I had a better soldering iron. Yes. And even set the temp on this one. Blasted up to 400. Right, temp number 2. Okay, here we go. Put a little bit of flux on. To be fair, this is plumber's flux, so I don't even know what the crack is with that. Yeah, didn't do the job before. Just pop a little bit of bum grease on there. There we go, little slot. You line that slot up. Alright, to get the little trigger in, you just got to take the body back out. Not the body, the inside anyway. That. Clip it on, push it back in. Put it back together. Forget that ever existed. Bye. Put the bum grease away. Cover that little bit of wire up. Put the red in underneath, and then the black on top. Otherwise, it's really hard to push this back on. That's the last screw in. Not do a thing. Will it work? Let's put the DeWalt battery in. works. However, look at the electric inside. Fake motor in it. We're just going to have to see how long this lasts, but it's fixed for the moment.